all of the identities are based on the basic trig identities that I posted a video for. So the quotient identities, which is tan theta equals sine theta over cos theta, and the reciprocal cotangent theta, but also the trig identity, or the Pythagorean identities. Okay, so let's, you're going to need this one. You're going to need to know sine squared theta plus cos squared theta equals 1. Now, okay, you definitely need to watch the video to see where this came from. Okay, I don't want you to just memorize this. Although, if you memorize it, you can get away with it, but it'd be good if you knew where this came from. Okay, if I just rewrite this, or actually I don't even need to rewrite this, look. It's crazy that I can rewrite 1 in terms of sine squared theta and cos squared theta. Look, I've got a 1 here. So wherever I see 1, I'm going to put this in. Sine squared. We'll use beta, because the angle given is beta. Two sine beta cos beta. Sine beta plus cos beta. Okay, now what? Does that improve the situation? Tina's almost done. Anyone else almost done?
I'm finished. You can factor it now.
Okay, how can you factor it?
It's a squared plus 2ab plus b squared.
Nice. And what's that called?
What is it called? I forget.
Perfect what?
Perfect square trinomial.
Hey, yeah. Very nice. Excellent. So, let me just use some color here. You need to be able to see that this is a squared. This is 2ab plus b squared. Okay? That's what it is. And we know that a squared plus 2ab plus b squared is going to give us a plus b squared. So, our next line should naturally be sine beta plus cos beta squared. Based on this. Based on this, A equals sine beta, B equals cos beta. So a squared is sine beta squared. B squared is cos beta squared. If you have any questions, type it in the chat or just speak out. Look, now you've got, what do we have here? You can just divide. Get rid of that and that. What we're left with is sine beta plus cos beta. The right side is also sine beta plus cos beta. Therefore, left side equals right side.